Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to call someone in Zoom. So open up your Zoom application and go to your contacts, and if you have the person in your contacts that you want to call, then just hover over it with your mouse and click on More, and then Meet with video or Meet without video if you want. If you don't have the person in your contacts, then just simply click on New Meeting. The new meeting will start, and you can turn off the audio or video if you want, and then simply click on Start this meeting. The meeting will start, and you should be able to add a participant, so click on Participants and then simply Invite. Then you can invite the external participants through your mail, or just copy the invite link down here and send it to them straight to messaging app or something else. So I will do it through email, so click on Gmail, and right now it will take me right here to the next page and open up Gmail, and I can simply type their mail right here and then send them the invitation. They will get the invitation and can sign into Zoom and simply just open this meeting and call with you. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.